Is your AC blowing warm air? Well, not to worry, because today I'm gonna help you fix that problem right now. And the only thing I do is turn on the engine. Once you turn on your engine, you make sure you have your AC down to the lowest setting and then turn that knob all the way up. That fan needs to be all the way up and that AC temperature needs to be as low as you have available. Once you do that, you take this can right here, which is a R134A. You take the R134A, that's for mostly all the vehicles, and then you get a hose. Make sure you have a hose that has a gauge on it. If you buy the kit, it should have all that included into one kit. So once you do that, you're looking for the low line. You'll know it's a low line because it's going to have the letter L on the cap. That's part of your AC unit. Most times it's along your engine, around your engine, and you're going to take that cap off. So now you're going to attach the hose that's connected to the Freon, the can, and in my case it has like a spring at the end, and that spring you pull up a little bit at the end of it, and then you push it down over the low line connection, and it should snap right in place. You'll hear kind of like a snap, and once you do that, you're good. That's the gauge. You're going to gauge how much you're putting in there. That's why you need a gauge, because you want to make sure you're not putting too much in there. You're going to flip the can upside down and then unlock the can where the nozzle is, turn it to the unlock position, and then push down on it. So yeah, as you can see, when I push down on the can, I only did one hand because I held the camera with the other hand. So I have to push down on the can with one hand. The gauge goes all the way into the red, but once I release the nozzle, it retracts back into the green. So that's fine, as long as it stays within that green. When you release it, you're good. Just make sure it doesn't get beyond that. Once you finish that, you're done, pretty much done. You release the hose. And once you release the hose, put that cap back on and make sure it says L, because that's the line you need to be on. And you're done, completed. Congratulations. Go back in the vehicle, feel that cold air. So if you need these products, check out the link in the description below.
Check out the link below.
And I will also leave a link to these products in the comment section. Show some love and smash the like, subscribe, and bell notification to get the latest HE content. And if you got value out of this video, check out the next video.